Hello guys, today I'm going to give you some hints for your unit 2 assignments. Now, let's say this is the first one. Now this is pretty easy question. Probability. Now this is completely addressing this fact. Probability of any event always that is a number between 0 and 1. So the least case is 0, maximum case is 1. For example, if I flip a coin, either it can be head or tails, right? So the chances that I can get a, let's say it's a fair coin, chances 1/2 and 1/2, right? So if I reword this question, like if I flip a coin, what are the chances that I get either head or tail? That's 1. That will always happen. Or what are the chance if I throw a coin upward, what is the chance that it will come down? That is 1, right? If I throw a coin upward, what is the chances that it will never come down? That's 0. So probability is always 0 and 1. Another example, let's say we have 5 boys and 3 girls in a classroom. And if I pick a student randomly, the probability that a boy is 5 out of 8. See? So the number of times that event can happen, divide by total number. So this number is always going to stay within 0 and 1. So use that to answer first question and 2.1, and then let's go to 2.2. Now here 2.2 we have a slight mistake here. I mean, you don't need this part. That's a typo. Forget about that. This one is actually addressing, check in whether you can remember these formulas. Again, please read the book and read the slides, right? You have good slides. PA and B is going to be PA times PB if the events are independent. That means if you have totally different two events that have no connection between each other, in that case, this is the formula. But if not, for example, if they are dependent, in that case, we have this formula PA PB given A. Oh, the other way around, because this is symmetric. You can be A and B same as B and A. So this will work. A slash B. So this one right here, let me use another K slash Q. This means probability of K. So it goes in the right order, the way you write. So K given Q. That means you assume Q has happened, and then what is the probability of K happening? Now I will explain this in our next problem, but for this problem, you have to simply calculate using the formula. And again, the last part is about PAOB. So that is the equation PA plus PB minus PA and B. Now this is easy to explain using a Venn diagram. Let me draw A and B like this. In general, see, for example, AOB is total, right? I mean, all the possible AU, and sometimes we write it like this. This is AOB. See, if let me choose blue color. If I calculate probability of A, I'm already calculating A and B once. And if I calculate probability of B, I'm calculating that part again. So I have calculated that twice. Now P A union B or A or B means this part, everything together. Now that part is this guy minus the middle part, because I have already calculated that twice, so I need to reduce it once. So this is P, A and B. That is the formula you are looking for. So it's an application of that. And let me go to the, now in this one I can explain the idea behind it. It's a nice question. So let me take this for example. Pn. So what is n? N is no reaction. So probability of no reaction. So none here. So what over what? Are you going to use this number, or this number? See, there is no restriction. So it's going to be 470 and over total is this. But on the other hand, if you go here, that says n/w. That means probability of n given w. So what does that mean? N is no reaction. So probability of no reaction or none given within 5 minutes. So in English, probability of no reaction in the case within 5 minutes. So it's 420 over, not 1000, but 500. So I'm not going to do the others for you. So figure that out, right? So it is not hard. And see you in next unit. Thank you, guys.